So there are no
Sir, there is no option for your name.
Sir, there is a
बेटा मैडम इज क्या बोलूं अब मैं, मैडम को कुछ हो गया है बेटा.
sir, her option is not coming for sending the message.
Yes, sir.
बेटा रागिनी मैम प्लीज सेंड हाई टू एवरीवन. आपको हाय आ गया गाइस?
No, sir.
एक मिनट बेटा, लेट मी कॉल मैम.
Sir, there is an option for Ragini ma'am co-host, but she did not send a hi. Third.
बेटा आई थिंक मैम इज डिस्कनेक्टेड. हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. अच्छा मैम इज कनेक्टेड नाउ. चलो.
Sir, do you have to
Yes.
do all the 3 questions?
बेटा yes, you have to do and see the timer. Only 1 minute is remaining, my boy.
The dash of a digit in a number
Sir,
is the digit
Sir?
Yes.
I cannot see the second question clearly.
your seat poll is finished.
When we write the given set of numbers in order from the group of knowledge.
Yes, Bushes.
I can't understand the second question.
I will explain better. Now time is up. So I will ask one by one. Barry, what is my first answer?
For the first answer,
Sir, I joined late because my
It's
light
okay.
was gone.
Sir,
Barry, what's my beta? No one will speak now. Barry, what's my first answer?
99999.
How many nines?
6.
Barry, what's my second answer?
Ascending order.
Spelling.
ASSENDING.
बेटा ASC. It's ascending में ASC होता है. और डिसेंडिंग में क्या होता है? असेंडिंग इज द आंसर, बट डिसेंडिंग में क्या होता है? DESCEN.
Okay, sir.
Sir, but in greatest to smallest, the answer would be descending.
Correct. The answer will be descending, not ascending. Because it is the greatest to smallest. So the answer will be descending, Myra.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. The dash of a digit is the numeral, is the third answer, Myra.
Sir. Sir, 0.
No, बेटा. तो थर्ड आंसर मुझे कौन बताएगा? लेट मी सी. वैम्पायर.
Ma'am?
Sir, I didn't understand it.
So sweet guy. Third answer.
1.
No. The veggie, third answer. No one knows. The face value. The face value of a digit is a numeral, in a numeral is the digit itself, irrespective of the place in that numeral. ठीक है, समझ आया kids? ओए मैंने कीवी से पूछा ही नहीं. चलो guys, do the 4th, 5th, 6th.
Sir, I was not able to send these answers.
Ragini ma'am, please send a hi to everyone.
Ma'am, Ragini ma'am is not in the meeting.
Ragini ma'am is not in the meeting. चलो ठीक है. तो आप एक काम करो, आप हम डिस्कस ही कर लेते हैं ऐसे ही. I will give First chance to vampire. What is my first answer?
Sir, can I send to you? Sir, 0.
0. Next answer I will give to sweet guy. Sweet guy.
Yes, sir.
What is my fifth answer? चलो everyone एक काम करो. First
0.
write the fifth, sixth. Wait. First write the fifth, sixth, seventh answer in your notebook. ठीक है? फिर अगर 2 minutes बाद मैं पूछूंगा. ठीक है? आप अपनी notebook में लिख लो fifth, sixth, seventh.
Sir, why don't we have to write the fourth?
Because fourth तो मैंने बता दिया ना. The place value of
sir,
0 is always 0. तो अब आप लिख के मजाक करोगे.
No, sir.
So write the fifth, sixth, and seventh answer.
Yes.
Sir, written.
Sir, written.
Return. Chalo, now we can discuss. I will give the question to sweet guy. The symbol dash is never repeated. The symbol dash is never repeated. Mr. Sweet Guy, not answering. Sweet Guy is lost somewhere. He's not answering. So ballerina.
Sir, I am not lost.
So, तो बताओ ना
Sir,
बेटा. The
answer.
symbol dash is not repeated. Never repeated.
D.
D. V is correct.
Sir, also L. Sir,
L is correct.
D.
And D is also correct. Next, I will ask from Smiley. In Roman number, there is no symbol for what? Smiley.
0.
0. Next, I will ask from ballerina. A symbol cannot be repeated more than dash times.
3 times.
3 times. Okay. Next, 8th, 9th, 10th. Everyone send the answer to ma'am. I will give you 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Sir, we have to send these to you.
To ma'am, beta. Noodles you have to send to ma'am.
Ragini ma'am is now in the meeting.
Yes. Ragini ma'am, please send hi to everyone. Sweet guy, I cannot see you. Adjust your camera so that I can see you better. No, not like this to your face. Yes. Sweet guy, why are you covering the camera, beta? Are you a shy guy or a sweet guy?
Sweet guy.
I think you are a shy guy. That's why you don't show your face. So, cupcake, keep your camera on. Oi! Noodle.
Sir,
I wrote that 9 because I couldn't understand 8, but then automatically it came 1 and it sent it by its own.
Okay, Becha. Okay, okay,
Sir,
But my answer is of 9th.
okay.
sir,
Yes.
can I send you? I don't know why it is not going.
बेटा आप रागिनी मैम ने हाय भेजा है ना, उस पे क्लिक करो, फिर
Yes,
it will go and see the time. Only 50 seconds are left.
sir, it is not going. I don't know why.
Chalo, you send to me then, Kiwi. Maybe
Sir,
because we are friends, that's why.
sir, I cannot understand the 10th one.
It's okay, बेटा. बाकी का आंसर तो दे दो.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm not able to send to Ragini ma'am, so I send it to you.
Ragini ma'am, send hi to everyone once again.
The meeting.
Ahan, your Eva wala correct. Now guys, I will explain. Ahan ने मुझे भेज दिया है, तो मैं आप I will check from who. I will start from ballerina. Ballerina, what is my eighth answer?
Sir,
Ballerina.
it is 5 and 10. V and X.
V and X. Okay. So, Barry, what is my ninth answer?
Sir, I, V, X, L, C, D, M.
Beta, you will get half mark for it. Next, whom will I ask? I will ask vampire. What is my ninth answer?
Sir, 9,
Yes, ninth.
7,
Hmm?
7.
7. There are 7 basic symbols in the Roman number system. कौन से हैं? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Then last one I will ask from Smiley. The Hindu Arabic system has dash symbols or digit.
Sir, I was confused in this one.
You are confused in this one. So, who knows the answer other than Kiwi? Raise your hand. Yes, Cupcake.
Sir, my answer was no.
No, beta, it's wrong. Anyone else? So, bete, so in the Hindu Arabic system, we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 ke liye I add 1, 0 and 1, 1. So how many symbols are there? There are 10 symbols if you can count. Understood? Yes or no? So everyone understood, yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So I didn't understand the 10th one.
10th one बेटा 1 to 10 तक कितने numbers होते हैं? 10 numbers
Sir,
होते हैं ना?
10.
तो 10 symbols होते हैं. 11 के लिए we will write 1 and 1 again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Next 11, 12, 13. अरे यार ये तो बच्चा क्वेश्चंस हैं. ये क्या बच्चा क्वेश्चंस हैं मैम? वेरी बच्चा क्वेश्चंस हैं ये. क्या है ये?
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, we have to do 11th, 12th and 13th.
नो बेटा, आपको केवल देखना है, क्वेश्चन नहीं करना है. So
So
first one is
biology-
wrong. Cupcake, rest are correct.
I accidentally sent
Then
it.
how did someone get this wrong? Sir, you said that these were bacha questions.
Sir, I don't understand the 11th or 12th.
Okay, beta. After the time is up, I will explain.
Sir,
So where smiley. Your answers are correct. Spelling mistake hai. Berry. Your answers are correct. एक S mistake है. But they are correct anyway. I will give you the marks. Smiley also is correct, ma'am. Berry is also is correct. Cookie gets 3 crosses because time is up, and Air gets 3 crosses because time is up, and WJ also gets 2 crosses because time is up. Air has sent now, beta, but time is up. मैं आपके answers correct है, but I cannot do.
Sir, I sent
So-
to Ragini ma'am, but I don't know, it did not reach.
So numbers that are added are called addends. ऐसा आएगा because numbers है और are है, plural है. The result obtained after addition is called the sum. Numbers can be added in any order, but their sum remains the same. So shy guy.
Sir,
Yes, sweet guy से मैं shy guy मुझे करना पड़ेगा guys. बार बार कैमरा ऑफ हो जाता है. और देखो सीलिंग पे
I-
पॉइंट हो जाता है कैमरा गाइस देखो.
I think so. He is doing in the tab, so when he is writing the answer, it is the camera is going to the ceiling. I think so. It
So
Sir,
14th,
right.
15th
sir,
and 16th very bacha questions.
Sir, I don't know what's happening today. When I sent the first one, that also did not reach to Ragini ma'am. And then when I sent my answers, that also did not reach to Ragini ma'am.
Okay. Kiwi?
So can I send to you?
No beta, first you try sending to Ragini ma'am. नहीं, अगर मैम चेक करें या नहीं पहुंचे, then you send to me.
Okay, sir.
Kiwi,
Yes, sir.
have you told to Mango Bite that we are friends?
No, sir.
No?
No.
My goodness. Should we keep that a secret?
No, sir.
No.
Sir, if you try to keep that the secret, we already heard that. Sir,
Okay.
is the 14th question a bigger or smaller question?
Sir, you know that Didi has come back.
Oja Moja.
Yes, sir.
Do you know her name is Oja Moja?
Yes, sir. I know everyone calls her Uju.
But like, does anyone call her Oja Moja also?
No, sir.
No. So you can call her Oja Moja.
चल कॉल हो जाओ मुझे दीदी.
Okay. So ballerina and Smiley, keep your camera on. Shy guy now is showing his AC, globe, medals.
Sir, that actually medals are not hymns only. They are also Raina Didi's Shepherds and him.
Sir, they are all Raina Didi's. None are mine. Sir, the light has failed. No. Can I leave for a minute? Sir, can I leave for a minute because I need to join on my computer.
Okay, okay. Oh my God, I can't believe my eyes. How can the great kiwi fruit can get a question wrong? Guys, ma'am has texted me that she's giving crosses to all the questions to all the kids who have not given the answers.
Excuse me, sir. I can't understand 14th one.
Beta, it's okay. Whatever you understand, you give it because time is up.
Okay,
Because
sir.
you know Ragini stripped Ragini, ma'am. She is giving crosses now. You know her na? Chalo. So the first question, Barry. Only Noodle and WJ got the first question correct, and Air and Ballerina also. Okay, there are more. Sorry, I didn't see. So Cookie, Smiley, and Berry and Veggie. तो मैं वेजी से पूछता हूँ व्हाट इज माय फर्स्ट आंसर.
Sir, I have sent it my answer
Sir,
because
I have joined.
तो Barry, you send me beta. You have sent I don't know. And the second answer, Noodle got it wrong. Beta, when you add 0 to any number, you get the same number, na? When 1 is added to any number, we get the successor. पहले success लिखो फिर OR use कर दो successor. Then
but
the sum of the addends is always more than each of these. जैसे 17 plus 2, 19. 19 is more than 17 also and 2 also. Do we understand, kids? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir is
Yes,
bigger also
yes.
correct.
So आपको 18th और 19th करना है.
sir, for the 14th time, you also write bigger.
Yes, greater लिखते हैं generally. Big we don't use in, mathematics generally. We use greater or more.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
do we have to do 18 and 19 only?
Sir,
18th and 19th only. Yes, we have to
now
do
I am
18th.
on computer. Now I will not. My camera will not face the roof.
Okay. Because the kids were, texting me that he's a shy guy, he's a shy guy. I said, no, it must be, a device issue. I told them. Better do it properly. Don't get them wrong like Noodle. Smiley, keep your camera on.
Sir, can I send again?
Okay, Smiley, keep your camera on. Mr. Smiley.
Sir, can I send it again?
Beta, no.
Sir, I didn't realize the 18th question. I just wrote one number. Can I send again?
Sir, the time is up.
And vampire, why you did not send me? So, cupcake.
Sir, I'm still thinking for the second one.
So, what is the first answer? Vampire.
Sir, the first answer will be 10,000.
10,000. बेटा cupcake and berry. अगर मैं 10,000 ऐड करूंगा तो digit at the 10,000 place ही तो change होगा. Correct?
The typing mistake.
Then thousand hundreds. अब देखो thousand hundreds को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 1000 multiplied by 100. मैंने आपको multiply करना बताया है. I will write 1000. Then I will add how many zeros? 2 zeros. I will add 2 zeros यहाँ पे. So this will be my number. Now how many lakhs are these? I can just put commas to check this is 1 lakh, or I can do ones place, tens, hundreds place, thousands, 10,000 lakhs. So thousand hundreds is equal to 1 lakhs. समझ आया kids? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, kids. So we will now do the 17th question and the 20th question. वरना you will say sir ने दो छोड़ दिए, which I don't want you to say.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
I have also sent the 20th question in the last time.
बेटा please send again ना, तब दिया नहीं था, अब दिया है. Please send again.
Sir, why are the children getting bacha questions wrong?
Because we are bachas, that is why.
Sir, no, we are not bachas. Now we are in grade 4. We always start addition from the dash from.
Brutal Peter, why don't you send in one message and that too to ma'am? Don't worry, Peter. Don't be scared of ma'am. She will not eat you. She is a vegetarian. She only eat veggies. So don't be scared of her.
Sir, vegetarian also eats noodle.
But
I eat noodles.
Aviana is, non-vegetarian noodle.
Sir, then she will eat berry.
Yes, she can eat berry and veggie.
And sweets.
So who told you that I'm vegetarian? I'm vegetarian.
That's why I'm saying that you are non-vegetarian.
Also vegetarian. I also eat eggs.
Sir, I am also veg. But Sifu Nani is non-veg.
You literally eat. You eat pancakes. You eat eggs. You eat everything.
Eggs is not non-veg.
Excuse me,
Whatever
sir.
Yes,
whatever
Cupcake.
the chicken has not
Sir, cookie.
grown, so it
Yes,
is not
Cookie.
I didn't send the answer and ma'am crossed.
Ma'am ne has
non-veg.
not crossed bete.
I only eat eggs. Very इतना नहीं खाता.
Shania and Smiley, Sudhi and Smiley, keep your camera on. Time is up. So veggie, noodle, cookie, kiwi, Smiley, kiwi.
Send my answer.
किवी आप कैसे गलत कर रहे हो बेटा? आपके भी गलत हुए हैं. चलो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा.
Sir, I have sent my answer.
The 20th one means minus or plus.
So I am explaining now. So we always start addition from the ones place. Cupcake. हम हमेशा ones place से ही तो start करते हैं. Isn't it, Cupcake? अगर कुछ भी ऐड करना हो 742 312 हम पहले ones place को ऐड करेंगे. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Kiwi, how did you do the 20th question? Kiwi, unmute करके बताओ. हाँ. Yeah.
Sir, I multiplied 10,000 with 100.
So 110,000 is equal to dash hundreds. देखो बेटा, सबसे इजी तरीका है 110,000 लिख लो, है ना? तो ये कितने हंड्रेड्स होंगे? तो हैव आई टॉट यू डिवीजन लाइक दिस? ऐसे मैंने डिवाइड करना सिखाया? 2 zeros कट हो जाते हैं, 2 zeros कट हो जाते हैं, या नहीं सिखाया?
Yes, sir. Sir सिखाया है.
तो आप डिवाइड कर
Yes.
लो, आपका आंसर 100 हो जाएगा. अदरवाइज ऐसे नहीं करना आपको, तो आप 100 into blank अब 100 मतलब 2 zeros, तो यहाँ पे कितने zeros बच रहे हैं? 2, तो I will put 1 with 2 zeros. तो कीवी, कपकेक, बेरी, समझ आया मेथड?
Yes, sir.
तो आंसर विल बी हंड्रेड्स. अरे मैंने ऊपर लिख दिया ये, सॉरी.
Sir,
यस.
in the 90th question also we can do the same.
वी कैन डू द सेम ना. अगर 1000 हंड्रेड्स हैं तो बेटा, पर पहले मुझे यहाँ पे क्या था, डायरेक्ट आंसर आ रहा था. सी, 1000 हंड्रेड्स मतलब कितने जीरोस टोटल? 5 जीरोस. तो पहले मैं 5 जीरोस पुट कर दूंगा. अब क्या करूंगा मैं? मुझे देखना है ये कितने लाख है, तो मुझे डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा 1 लाख से. तो मैं जब डिवाइड करूंगा मेरे 5 जीरोस कट हो जाएंगे और 1 लाख हो जाएगा. ठीक है कीवी?
Yes, sir.
So what question do we have to do?
We have to do, I'm giving you a question. How many hundreds are there in 1 lakh?
Sir, can I send again?
No, beta.
Sir, whose name will be changed today?
No one's name?
Sir, can we change mine next class? It was WJ last year too.
Sir,
Yes.
you said you'll change my name also today.
Beta, but noodles suit you, na? So guys,
No. Sir,
noodle. Wait. कीवी, आपका आंसर नहीं आया बेटा.
Sir, can we change WJ's name?
बेटा no, no, today I am not changing any name. Next class में देखेंगे हम WJ का. ठीक है? Next class will WJ first. So Kiwi, what's my answer, Kiwi? You can speak. Okay. Kiwi, आपने कैसे किया बेटा?
Sir, like you told it first, I did
देखो
the
बेटा,
same.
पहले मैंने 1 लाख लिख लिया, है ना? अब हंड्रेड्स में कितने जीरो होते हैं? 2 जीरोस होते हैं. इसके बाद कितने जीरोस बच रहे हैं? 1 2 3 जीरोस बच रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
मेरा आंसर हो जाएगा 1000. समझे कीवी?
So I
जी,
didn't
sir.
understand.
बेटा देखो 100 में 2 zeros हैं,
Yes, sir.
ऊपर कितने zeros बच रहे हैं इसके बाद 2 zeros के बाद?
Sir, 3.
तो मेरा आंसर 1 with 3 zeros 1000 हो जाएगा।
Okay, sir.
जितने बच रहे हैं वो आंसर, वही आंसर होगा। एक और क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं। हाउ मेनी hundreds are there in, maybe wait, thousands are there in one। चलो ये क्वेश्चन करो, इन 10 लाख कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट करते हैं। चलो, so this time I am going to give 2 minutes, 2.5 minute दे देता हूँ, 2 minutes 20।
Question mark.
Sweet dino. Sweet dino. I'm using the magic.
So many wrong।
Sir, it's almost like a pattern.
बेटा देखो,
Yes, sir.
तो स्वीट गाय, वैम्पायर, सूदी, कपकेक, स्माइली,
Sir, can I
many
do this
wrongs।
again?
देखो बेटा, फर्स्ट आई विल राइट 10 lakhs, तो मैंने 10 lakhs लिख लिया, फिर मैंने नीचे 1000 लिख लिया, कितने जीरोस एक्स्ट्रा हैं? सो सूदी कितने जीरोस एक्स्ट्रा हैं 10 लाख में? हाँ देखो, ये 10 लाख है, ये 1000 है, कितने जीरोस एक्स्ट्रा दिख रहे हैं? 3। तो आंसर क्या होगा? 1 with 3 जीरो। समझ आया बेटा? और कर लेते हैं क्वेश्चन। इन 10 मिलियन कर दो, लाख की जगह 10 मिलियन कर दो।
Sir, I forgot a zero.
Dash and can mallet question.
Sir, can I set again?
No. Sweet guy, what's the problem? Smiley, keep your camera on. क्या प्रॉब्लम है स्वीट गाय?
सर मुझे ये वाले क्वेश्चंस नहीं समझ आ रहे।
तो बेटा मैं तो आपको समझा रहा हूँ ना, आप समझने का ट्राई तो करोगे तो समझ में आएगा अपने आप। हम ट्राई नहीं कर रहे।
That means how many?
वेजी, स्वीट गाय, बैलेरिना। स्माइली, सेंड योर आंसर। स्माइली, कुकी, एयर।
Sir sent.
फिर गलत देखो। पहले 10 मिलियन में कितने जीरोस हैं? स्माइली आप मुझे पहले, जो जिन बच्चों का रॉन्ग हुआ है ना, मैं 1 मिनट दे रहा हूँ, आप बताओ 10 मिलियन में कितने जीरोस हैं इन द चैट। मुझे भेजो आप, एवरीवन जिनका भी रॉन्ग हुआ है आंसर सेंड टू मी। 10 मिलियन में कितने जीरोस हैं?
Sir, I sent you. Sir, I've sent.
So someone is saying
Sir,
6,
I
someone is saying
understand my
7.
mistake. Sir, I understand my mistake now. The answer was 10,000 crore thousand.
तो ये बताओ बैलेरिना, लेट मी आस्क यू बेटा, बैलेरिना अनम्यूट।
Yes,
10 मिलियन में 6 जीरोस होते हैं, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू ये मेरा 10 मिलियन है, यही बोलना चाह रहे हो आप?
No, sir, 10 million has 7
बेटा
zeros.
एवरीवन कीप क्वाइट, आई एम टॉकिंग टू हर। बैलेरिना, इज दिस 10 मिलियन? एयर बोल रही है 9 जीरोस। वाओ। बैलेरिना, आयरा, आई एम आस्किंग यू बेटा, ये 10 मिलियन है क्या? जल्दी बताओ बेटा, मैं आपसे 3 टाइम्स पूछ लिया। इज
No,
दिस
sir.
10 मिलियन?
No, sir.
तो फिर व्हाट इज दिस?
1 million.
1 मिलियन। तो 10 मिलियन के लिए मैं क्या करूंगा? 10 लिख दूंगा यहाँ पे। नाउ हाउ मेनी थाउजेंड्स आर देयर? मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? इसमें कितने जीरोस हैं? 3 4 5 6 7। और 1000 में कितने जीरोस होते हैं? 1 2 3। तो 7 - 3 = 4, तो 1 के आगे 4 जीरोस लगा दो। सी, मैं आपको लिख देता हूं तरीका। काउंट द जीरोस, जो आपका नंबर बड़ा नंबर हो, इन बिगर नंबर, इन बोथ द नंबर्स। सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो उसको। सब्ट्रैक्ट द जीरोस, सब्ट्रैक्ट द नंबर ऑफ जीरोस। जो आपका आंसर आए 1 के आगे वो पुट कर दो। समझ
Okay.
आया आयरा?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हाउ मेनी hundreds are in 1 million? Now everyone get it right this time.
In one million.
Okay, WJ.
Sir, I by mistakenly sent to you. Can you check?
I will check.
Sir, it was a typing mistake.
कपकेक 5000 भेजा है आपने. करेक्ट है स्वीट्स. कपकेक 5000 भेजा है.
Yes, sir.
बेटा 5 कहाँ से आ गया? 1 मिलियन में 5 कहाँ से आ गया? अगर मैंने 5 मिलियन लिखा होता तो 5 कुछ आता, पर यहाँ पे तो 1 मिलियन लिखा है. Sweet guy answer is correct. So vampire, Sudhi.
Excuse me, sir. Can I send one more time? I just need
No,
one more zero.
No, beta. चलो, I am explaining now. तो first I will write 1 million. So noodle 1 million में कितने zeros होते हैं?
So 5.
5 कैसे बेटा? 6 होंगे ना, because in the international system this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then 1 million. तो 6 होंगे ना, 3 digits होते हैं. ये ones period होता है. ये आपका थाउजेंड्स पीरियड होता है जिसमें आप 100,000 तक जाते हो, फिर 1 आता है. In the international system we put commas after every 3 digits. So how many hundreds are there in this? So I will 100 में 2 zeros हैं, इसमें 6 हैं. 6 minus 2 4. 1 2 3 4. मैंने ये जो 4 plus 2 6 होना चाहिए, या फिर 6 minus 2 4 होना चाहिए. तो 1 के आगे I will put 4 zeros. All right, guys. So next question.
Hundred of two nearest
Sir, what is meaning of successor?
Next number.
ones is dash question mark.
Successor is beta next number. Chalo, I am explaining now. Cookie, noodle, air, time up. The successor of this, when rounded off to the nearest thousands. Dekho beta. The successor of what? When this number is rounded off to nearest thousand. So first I will round off to nearest thousand. So Veggie, what will I get when I round this off to nearest thousand?
Sir, 3,000.
3,000. Now if I ask you what is the successor of 3,000, what will be your answer?
1,001.
3001. So ballerina, berry, cookie, noodle, cupcake, veggie, Sudhi, समझ आया?
Yes,
Sir, I
sir.
didn't know what's the meaning of successor. If I knew, I could do it.
Yes, I have no doubts that you would have been able to do it.
Sir, I mistakenly left.
Sir, we know this because in class 4 we are doing this only predecessor, successor. Sir, can we also call rounding off to nearest whatsoever hundreds, thousands, tens? Can we call them estimate?
Kind of, beta. We kind of can call. Chalo, guys, next question karo.
Sir, because in school they are teaching us estimation. We call
Okay.
it estimation. Predecessor 1, 7 to 6, then rounded.
Those who got it correct, can they leave?
नो बेटा, टुडे हम थोड़ा सा ओवर टाइम करेंगे. आपकी कोई और क्लास है, मीरा?
No, sir.
देन बेटा हम थोड़ा सा आज ओवर टाइम करेंगे.
Sir, why?
बेटा बिकॉज आज मेरा मूड है ओवर टाइम का. हम थोड़ा सा और बातें करेंगे, और मस्त फन करेंगे, और क्वेश्चंस करेंगे.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you change my name today?
बेटा नो नो, नेक्स्ट क्लास WJ, उसके बाद फिर आप. ठीक है. तो
Okay,
गाइस,
sir.
सूदी, स्वीट गाय.
That day you said that you will change my name.
So, okay. So, the predecessor of 1726 when rounded off to the nearest thousand. So, okay, sir is correct. Sweet guy is correct.
Sir, I have sent.
Okay. So, Sudhi, please unmute. What will you get when you round this off to nearest thousand? Smiley,
2000.
camera on. Yeah?
2000.
2000. So, what is the predecessor of 2000? That is 1999. है ना? Chalo. Guys, you have to. I will ask the number name. Let's see who can give it. So I will ask this question from Barry. What is, wait, थोड़ा सा मैं और difficult करूँगा. Barry, what is the number name of this?
12,05,021.
Correct. Now I will give this to whom? Ballerina.
2,04,789.
Very good. So see guys, पहले मैंने इंडियन सिस्टम्स के हिसाब से गैपिंग करी, तो मेरा आंसर इंडियन सिस्टम में हुआ 12,05,021. फिर मैंने इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम से करा, तो माय आंसर इज 2,04,789. सो वी हैव टू सी द गैप्स. अगर इंडियन सिस्टम हो तो आई हैव टू राइट द नंबर नेम अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडियन सिस्टम. अगर इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम हो तो आई हैव टू राइट द नंबर नेम अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम. एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड? नॉट अंडरस्टूड?
Understood, sir.
Yes.
Sir, but you did not put commas, so how will we get
तो
to
बेटा
know that?
कॉमास एंड स्पेस, कई बार हम स्पेस भी पुट कर सकते हैं कॉमास की जगह.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I think
Okay.
that's all for today, guys. Bye bye. एक क्वेश्चन और कर लेते हैं, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. मुझे याद आ गया,
Yes, sir.
मेरा फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है ये. You have to write the number name.
Oh, yes, it's my favorite.
Sir, in chat.
Yes, beta. I'm giving 1 minute 30 seconds for such a bachcha question.
So what we have to do?
Write in Roman numbers.
Roman number, sir, but you said
Yes, yes.
uh,
Number name मैंने
number
गलती से.
name. Okay.
You have to write in Roman numbers. This is my favorite question.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, today is my father's birthday.
Oh, that's great. What are you getting in return gift?
Sir, I sent to you.
I
Can
don't
you
know
check?
because I had gone to school and I don't know what has Arav done.
And what are you gifting him?
Sir, that I have kept, that I have hidden in my almirah
But
because
what are
he
you
doesn't
gifting?
check the almirah.
But what are you
Sir, I'm
gifting?
gifting him a watch. Watch.
Oh, that's great. And what did you gift your mom yesterday?
Sir, can I leave? I have written this correctly.
Sir, yesterday I gave her a card.
So, okay, those sweet guy, kiwi, smiley, noodle आप leave कर सकते हो guys. Vampire आप भी leave कर सकते हो. Ballerina आप भी leave कर सकते हो.
Sir, can I speak my answer?
No, beta. So, Sudhi, send
Okay,
your
sir.
answer.
Sir, just ignore friends and I am sending.
Noodle and cookie, you guys can also leave.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Sir, I have sent to Ragini ma'am.
Sudhi, now you are only left. You can speak here. You also.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Sudhi, what's my answer?
See,
Okay.
see,
Okay,
it's
fine, fine. So, veggie, what will be my answer?
Sir, CM.
First, we write for 900. That is CM. Then, beta,
Sir, CMXC
XC is 90. Then,
IX.
IX. Barry, what answer did you send?
Sir, my answer was same. Maybe it might be a typing mistake.
And veggie, आपने क्या आंसर भेजा था?
Sir, I accidentally in a hurry write MI.
Okay, cupcake, what answer did you send?
Sir, I sent IM.
IM नहीं होता बेटा, because रोमन नंबर्स में ना हमें अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लेस वैल्यू लिखना पड़ता है. पहले 900, फिर 90, फिर 9. Okay, cupcake. Okay, kids, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye bye, kids. Bye bye. Bye, kids. Bye bye. Bye, vampire. I'm scared. Bye bye.